Hi there. If you're a chemistry student of CIE, IGCSE, AS or A-level, or doing Edexcel Pearson, IGCSE, AS or A-level, well, you just came to the right place. Welcome to Chemistry with Mr. Manoj. I've been teaching chemistry for over 30 years now, and in this channel, I intend to give you all the experiences what I have gathered over these years, particularly when it comes to explaining the so-called hard concept or syllabus areas which many students find it very difficult to follow and particularly answer questions on them. We will be doing a lot of past paper discussions. We'll be discussing a lot of tips of how to improve your answers to avoid the common mistakes made. There will be a lot of emphasis on the lab related investigations, particularly for those students doing CIE for the IGCSE paper 6, AS paper 3, and A level paper 5. And for students who are doing Edexcel, of course, along with the IGCSE lab investigations, there will be discussions on AS Unit 3 and A-Level Unit 6. So I hope you enjoy the channel. So why don't you check it out?